Merry Christmas, and I am Tiki Bar Sam, and this is Sam's Tiki Bar, and today, what are we going to make? We're going to make an old fashioned, but it's going to be a cranberry old fashioned with a rosemary simple syrup. I made this today, and what you do is you put in sugar, water, and a sprig of rosemary. You let it steep in there for a little bit, you let it cool down, and then you got this stuff. I just tasted it on its own. It's delicious. And then yesterday was Christmas, so today's December 26th, and for Christmas, my family got me bourbon and rye. So today we're going to try making this old fashioned with Widow Jane Decadence. I tried all three of these yesterday. They were delicious. I also have this old Overholt cask strength, aged 12 years, also spectacular, nice spicy notes. And then the last one is this Hemingway Rye. I recommend all three. They're delicious. They're very, very good. And they'll elevate any drink or just drink them on the rocks. That's what I did last night. So let's make this drink. First off, we need 2 ounces of this bourbon. So let's give out 2 ounces of this bourbon. Measure this off into the jigger at the 2 ounce mark. Put this into a cup of ice. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use an ounce of simple syrup. Here we go. Pour that in there like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix. I want to chill this down. I've learned that if you chill this down, it's just better if you do that. Waters it down a little bit. It's better if you do that. One of the other things that I need to do, I need my cranberry bitters. I'm going to put some cranberry bitters over the ice cube. Let's see here. Here they are. We put this right over top of this ice cube here. Very red. Then I'm going to keep on mixing this. Seems like it's right. Then I'm going to pour this over the sphere. Now, the other part that I'm going to do is I'm going to add some cranberry juice to it. Just not go too crazy. Probably like 2 ounces or 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. Then another mix. And now we're going to have a taste. Okay. This is... I never used Rosemary Simple Syrup before until today. And I saw this drink online. It looks spectacular. It is spectacular. It's very holiday themed. It goes with the vibe of Christmas. Tonight I'm having a party, and the movie that everybody wants to watch is Frozen. So I guarantee you this drink is going to go great with Frozen. So anyway, have a Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. And this is Tiki Bar Sam saying have a great day. Okay, see you next Friday. Bye.